Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. We need to scroll down and find the section System. Then scroll down and localize the backup and tap on it. And we will be immediately transferred to this Google section. So we are set to sign in to the Google account. So just tap on next. I forgot to mention, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this whole operation. Here, let's tap on Add Account. And in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here, we need to enter the password. All right, and tap on Next. So here we can decide who's going to use this device. So it can be you or your child, up to you. Just mark proper option and tap on Next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here, let's tap on your account. And you can decide what kind of data you'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, or both. Of course, you can mark both. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. So here, in the backup details, you can tap on the specific section and you can check the information about your account. So for example, how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings at the very bottom. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. All right, so to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now here, and now your device is backing up the data. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.